how to trade on Binance. So after you open the Binance app and you are logged into your account. Now from here, as you can see from the home page, we have different options. So if we want to trade with the hot coins, we just tap on hot and we are able to see all of the coins. Now tap on view more to see this. So this is the hot coins in the last 24 hours. So if you select one of them, as you can see, now you are able to trade this crypto. So if you want to buy or sell, this is the chart. You can expand it, you can minimize it, you can select how much of the time that you want to analyze. And after we are ready to go, now you can tap on buy, and as you can see here, just you can buy, and from limit just tap on market. Now here on the price, just expand this, how much of USDT you want to buy this PP with. And if you want to sell, just tap on sell, and this is how much you want to pay with, how much of percentage you want to sell of your PP. Now if we go to home, we can now select the gainers. If you want to trade with gainers, just don't select losers because you will lose your money. Now in the new listing, as you can see, this is different projects too. Now in the 24 hours vol, so it's your choice. Now select one of these. Now the other option is by tapping on the trade from the bottom bar. Just tap on it. Now from here, just select the crypto that you want to trade. For example, if you want Doge, and from here it's Doge to FUSD, Doge to USDC. Now select one of these that you want to trade with. So if you guys, you can see, if you select one of these, now you can see the market, you can buy and you can sell. And this is how to trade on Binance. It's easy and simple. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.